Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to start a workout on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see watch face, the current watch face, but I need to go through the tutorial. So you should see a watch face basically. Here we have it. And once you see the watch face, press the lower button to open the activity menu. Here we can go through the terms of use. Okay. And now you should see the workout menu, and here we have it. And you have a list of workouts you can start basically. So find the workout you would like to start. Once you find it, you can tap on the workout. Here you have a tutorial how to wear the watch during the workout. And then it will bring you to this page. And here, as you can see, it's gonna start looking for the GPS location. It won't find it here, so it's gonna keep trying, but it won't be able to do it. And you can wait for the GPS, or you can tap on go, and it will start the workout after you tap on the go button. And here we have the first data page. Here we have the duration, the distance, heart rate, and stuff like that. But you can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through different data pages. As you can see, we have a compass, we have the aerobic and anaerobic time, we have the option to measure the blood oxygen. We have the map, but for it to work, you will need to download the offline maps, and then of course you need to have a signal for the GPS. And that's about all of the pages. One more thing, or couple more things you can do, is to swipe left or right to open different menus. And if you swipe left on the workout page, it will open the music controls, and here you can basically control the music playback on your watch or on your phone, because you can select the device. On the watch, by default, there's only one song. You can play it, pause it, you can change the volume, you can see the playlist. So if you tap right here, you have the list of songs and playing music. Okay, what else you can do? You can tap on this icon to connect, for example, headphones, Bluetooth headphones, and you can also change the device on which you control the music. So you can tap right here, you can select the phone that is paired with your watch, and now you can control the music on your phone. So if I start playing something on the phone that is paired with my watch, let me actually show it to you. I'm gonna open YouTube and play something. Oh, my bad. Okay, that was a bit loud. It was some ad, but now if I skip it, let's say the music is playing. As you can see, it detected it right here, and we can pause it, we can resume it, and we can change the volume of the music. We can go next, previous, and stuff like that. So basically, you can control the music playback on your phone. Okay. If you want to pause the workout, you can press the crown button. Workout paused. And here we have the lock screen. So basically, if you tap on this icon, it will disable the touch screen during workout. Here we can, the other icon, the speaker icon is the volume for the broadcasts. Basically the voice telling you workout paused, workout started, and stuff like that. So you can adjust the volume if it's too loud for you. And next we have the resume button and the stop button. This button basically stops the workout completely, and you will have the option to save the workout or discard the data. Okay, and I believe that's about all. So we're gonna stop the workout. Okay, and that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.